Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to create folder in Android phone. Friends, if you want to make a new folder in your Android phone, like here you can see there are many icons. So if you want to make a folder for your icons, then you simply need to drag your one icon on the other icon and leave it. Then you can see it has created a folder. Now you can open this folder. Now here you can see it has created a folder, so you can add more icons to this folder, or if you want to make a folder on some specific location for some documents, as you make it for on your PC, then you need to press on file manager. Now here press on browse. Now select the location where you want to make the new folder. Like I want to make folder on my documents folder. So in my documents folder, I will simply press on this plus icon. Now it will ask to give a name to your new folder. Now after creating folder, press on OK. Now as you can see, it has created a testing folder. So you can place your documents over here. So friends, like this you can very easily create a new folder in Android phone. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.